Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today we are back with a laptop review. I love reviewing laptops. Now today we're talking about a thin and light productivity based laptop which is called the Asus Expertbook B9. Now this series from Asus is known for its weight. These are extremely lightweight laptops. The one you see in this video weighs only 1 kilogram, which is extremely lightweight for a laptop. It also comes with top of the line specifications like the 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, the Intel Evo Platform and a bunch of other things. So today in this video, let's talk in detail about the Asus Expertbook B9. As I said in the intro, this is an extremely lightweight laptop. Like as soon as I unboxed this laptop, my first reaction was that, damn, that is lightweight. Now, this is also a 14-inch laptop, so it's not a big one, it's a small one. You can easily carry it around everywhere with you. So this is meant for people who don't like to carry big and heavy laptops. It is lightweight and very portable. Also, one design element that I really like is that when you open up the laptop, it rises quite a bit so that it gets enough airflow. And now this is a very smart design and we have seen this with a lot of Asus laptops. It's a small thing but definitely makes a difference. Also, you can easily open up this laptop with one hand. The weight distribution is awesome and it can also be flat at 180 degrees. Now I don't know who would use that, but if you want to, you can do that. Now one might think that because it's so thin and lightweight, it won't be powerful, but that is not the case with the Asus Expertbook B9. It is jam-packed with specifications. It comes with the latest Intel Core i7 11th generation processor, which is the i7-1165G7. Now this is a 4-core CPU which has 8 threads, a base clock of 2.8 GHz with a turbo boost of up to 4.7 GHz. On the graphics side of things, it comes with the Intel Iris Xe graphics and it is also based on the Intel Evo platform. Now Intel Evo platform offers a lot of benefits. I have reviewed like 4 to 5 laptops based on the Intel Evo platform and none of them have disappointed so far. So you get advantages like Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt 4 ports, extremely good battery life, fast charging, the system feels very responsive, instant wake times and so on and so forth. On the RAM side of things, this model that I have over here comes with 32 GB of RAM. Now 32 GB is definitely overkill for RAM. You can easily make do with 16 GB as well. On the storage side of things, it comes with a 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD with extremely fast read and write speeds. Here is a quick benchmark for the SSD and you can see the read and write speeds yourselves. Now those were a lot of numbers out there, but how do those numbers translate into actual performance? Well, I am very impressed with the performance of this laptop. Now primarily I would use this laptop for productivity based applications like Excel, PowerPoint, and cloud based applications or Tally, and mainly productivity based applications. It can also be used for photo editing on Lightroom and Photoshop as well. So in my testing period, I use this laptop as my secondary computer. My main primary computer is the iMac on which I edit my videos, but this secondary computer would be the one where I edit my thumbnails, upload my videos, reply to emails, write down scripts, and just do normal productivity based work. For that, this laptop is excellent. The i7 processor does not disappoint, the system feels very responsive and fast and does not lag at all. That is a very big point over here, no lag. Now because it has such a powerful CPU, you can also game on this laptop. So if you're bored on a Sunday, you can definitely play some light titles and we did test that. Now before we get to the actual games, here are some benchmarks. We ran PC Mark 10 and 3D Mark for benchmarking and here are the results on your screen. Now let's get to the games themselves. First up, we tried Valorant. Valorant worked really well on this laptop. We were constantly getting around 60 FPS and the gameplay was extremely smooth. I personally love to play Valorant here and there for a couple of hours and you can also do that with this laptop. Apart from that, we also tried Rocket League. Rocket League is an excellent game, you should definitely try it out and it works really well on the Asus Expertbook B9. The gameplay was smooth and the frame rate was good as well. So yes, you can definitely play light titles on this laptop because of the powerful CPU and also because of the Iris Xe graphics. The Iris Xe graphics come into hand over here and give you very good performance for gaming. Now what about video editing? Well, you can edit videos on this laptop using Adobe Premiere Pro. I edited my Instagram Reels on this laptop and it worked really well. So you can definitely edit small projects using the Asus Expertbook B9. I would not recommend it for huge projects because this is not meant for that. But for small projects like a couple of 4K 20-30 clips, some titles here and there, some color grading, you can definitely use this laptop. Again, the i7 processor is coming into hand over here, because of which you are getting very good video editing performance and video rendering as well. All in all, I am very impressed with the performance of this laptop. Next up, let's talk about the keyboard and trackpad. I really like the keyboard on the Asus Expertbook B9. At first, I thought because it's so lightweight, the keyboard won't be good, but I was completely wrong. The keyboard on this laptop is excellent. Good amount of travel, the keys are clicky, and the keyboard is backlit as well. So if you want to work in the dark, you are sorted because of the backlit keyboard. Now this is a normal sized keyboard, but if you want a numpad, you can enable it because it is integrated into the trackpad itself. There's a small icon on the right hand top corner, and once you press that, you will get a numpad on the trackpad. Now this is kind of a hack, and it's not the most intuitive out there because it does not feel natural. So it might be helpful for people who use the numpad a lot, but I did not use it as much because I don't use a numpad on a daily basis. Now what about the trackpad? Well, the trackpad was surprisingly good as well. The tracking is smooth and so are the finger gestures. The 2 finger gestures, 3 finger gestures, all of them were very smooth. Moving on, let's talk about battery life and charging. So for normal stuff, I was getting somewhere around 6 hours of battery life on a constant basis, which is seriously impressive. On top of that, it also comes with fast charging out of the box. So it comes with a 65 watt adapter inside the box. It's a USB Type-C adapter and it will fast charge your laptop. Now this is because of the Intel Evo platform. But if you're doing some heavy stuff like editing videos in Premiere Pro or playing games, then the battery would drain faster. So please keep that in mind. As far as the ports go, you get a full-size USB Type-A port, then 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports which support a display output and power delivery as well. Thunderbolt 4 ports are very important over here. You can connect a host of accessories to this Thunderbolt 4 port. So it's good to see that it comes with this laptop. Apart from that, you also get the full-size HDMI port and the headphone jack as well, which doubles as the microphone jack too. I would say in terms of ports, you are sorted over here. As far as the connectivity goes, as I mentioned, this laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 will support the 5 GHz network that you might have in your homes. So if you have a 5 GHz router, you can connect that network and get the full speeds. So thumbs up for Wi-Fi 6. Moving on, let's talk about that display. So the Asus Expertbook B9 comes with a 14-inch Full HD display. So 1920 by 1080, it is an IPS LCD panel with a peak brightness of 400 nits, and it is also an anti-glare display. Anti-glare means that it is a matte display and it won't reflect things. I definitely prefer anti-glare displays over normal ones because I don't like reflections on my screen. As far as the actual panel quality goes, it is impressive. The viewing angles are great, it hits 100% on the sRGB space, and you will have a very good time while consuming media on this laptop. So if you like to watch a lot of movies on Netflix or videos on YouTube, or while just making a PowerPoint presentation, you will have a very good experience because the display is good. Also for content creation, accurate colors are important, and this laptop does have them. This gets me to other little things. First up, we have the speakers. I absolutely love the speakers on this laptop. They are very loud and clear as well. Listening to music and watching videos on this laptop is a very good experience because the speakers are good. I really appreciate the speakers, and Asus have done a very good job over here. As far as the webcam goes, it is a 720p webcam, which is just okayish. It will get the job done for online calls on Zoom or Google Meet or something like that. The webcam also comes with a dedicated switch to cover it up, so if you're concerned about the privacy, you can just cover up the webcam and it will be shut. All in all, I really like the Asus Expertbook B9. It comes with the latest 11th generation Core i7 processor, the Intel Evo platform, and offers excellent performance. If you are looking for a thin and light productivity based laptop, then you should definitely consider this one. I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, this was the Asus Expertbook B9. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.